You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my ghost and burn and gold. Or you can tell my face just when I'm full of beer and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms they're back into the fall, and you can tell my feet to hit the ball. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. But don't tell my heart why I keep breaking heart. I just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart why I keep breaking heart, it might go off and kill this man. You can tell your mom I moved the wrong insist, or you can tell her to bite my leg. I'll tell you about a clip, his fist can turn my lips. I'll never really like me anyway. I'll tell you how the whips, do anything you please. Myself around and it's not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to watch out for my mind. It might be walking out on me one day. Come on. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. You just don't think you'd understand. Or you can tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. It might blow up and kill this man. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. You just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might go up and kill this man. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. You just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart,